Take a ride in the 2019 LX 570. The Lexus LX 570 is a destination in itself. This luxury SUV is where fortress meets sanctuary, with its 5.7-liter V8 engine churning out an impressive 403 pounds of torque and an interior that puts comfort and convenience first. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.